Can you work for two employers on STEM OPT? I was recently talking to a client and he's currently working for a FANG and he got another offer. He's on STEM OPT and he wants to make sure that he can continue working for both of them without each of them finding about each other. So, how to navigate such situation? Understand one thing, folks. You can work for two employers without them finding out. And it's very simple. Understand when you start the second job and you get a new I-20, you're not sharing these I-20s with your employers. The only thing you're sharing with them is your STEM OPT work permit. But understand there comes a time where you do have to share your I-20, and that is during the H-1B time period. So how do you navigate that situation? First thing, I want you to make sure you know who you are loyal to. That means when the tough time comes, who are you going to stick with and who are you going to let go? If you're going to be confused between that, then you don't have the capacity to do this. So choose wisely. Now let's say company A is who you have chosen to be with. Then during the H-1B time, you can submit your I-20 which you started with for company A. Just provide that I-20, get into the H-1B lottery and submit your application. Now, for the company B, if they ask you for an I-20 because they want to put your name into the lottery, then what you can do is just let them know that you don't want to be a part of the lottery. Now, you have to convince them somehow for you not to be in the lottery. Then you can continue working for both employers until your lottery results come. Now, here is the tough situation though. If your H-1B gets selected, you will have to let go of the company B because you will need a new I-20 to apply for your H-1B application. So the only way you can continue working for the both employers is if you don't get selected in that lottery. Because if you don't get selected, you don't have to provide new I-20s and everything. You can just continue doing that until next year's lottery.